Replacement screens can be found online in many different qualities. At first glance, you can't distinguish between high-quality and low-quality screens in most cases, but the differences quickly become noticeable. Often, problems occur already during the installation when the spare part can't be precisely inserted. Due to improper workmanship, the screen can be thicker in some places and undesirable edges can appear. Also, the processed material scratches and breaks more easily. The quality of very cheap screens normally can't keep up with high-quality ones. For example, a low-quality screen quickly reaches its limits in terms of brightness. Annoying touch problems can occur as well. The touch function then fails completely at times or reacts just when nothing was pressed. Save yourself the trouble and get your spare part from the iDoc store. Because out of conviction, we only sell spare parts of the best quality. iDoc. Everything for your smartphone.